Good day, my viewer. Welcome to Simplified Chemistry channel. I will say thank you for the over 200 subscribers. Thank you. I appreciate you for your comments. Thank you for your encouragement. We are here to serve you better. Please don't forget, after this video again, like our video, share, and subscribe. Welcome to Simplified Chemistry. This time we are going to be talking about molecular formula. In the last class, we discussed about empirical formula. You can go down to our video to go and watch about empirical formula. Today, we are going to be talking about molecular formula. What is molecular formula? Molecular formula of a compound represents the actual number of atoms in a molecule of that compound. It's going to specify the number of atoms present in that molecule of compound. Is different from empirical formula. They can ask us to differentiate between a molecular formula and empirical formula. Today, we are going to be seeing molecular formula. Let's see example. 0.52 gram of ether contains 0.34 gram of carbon. 0.52 gram of ether contains 0.34 gram of carbon. 0.94 gram of ether contains 0.13 gram of hydrogen, and 0.87 gram of ether contains 0.19 gram of oxygen. Question: if the relative molecular mass of ether is 74, take notes. Calculate the molecular formula. Let's see. Solution. Calculate the molecular formula. Let's see the atom representation. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Now, the first thing, percentage composition. Let's see the percentage composition of elements present. Now, what is the mass of carbon in ether is 0.34 multiplied by 100 divided by the mass of ether, which is 0.52. Then let's see the mass of hydrogen, which is 0.13 gram multiplied by 100 divided by, what is the mass of ether there? 0.94. And the last oxygen, 0.19 multiplied by 100 divided by 0.87. Let's press our calculator. If you multiply this by 100 and divide by 52, we are going to have 65.38. Multiply and press your calculator. We are going to be having 13.83. Multiply and divide, we have 21.82. 21.82. 21.82. Now, let's divide by the relative molecular mass. So, 65.38. Carbon is 12. 13.83 divided by hydrogen, which is 1. 21.82 divided by oxygen, which is 16. Let's get our value. This one gives us 5.448. 13.83. 1.365. The next step, divide by the smallest divided by the smallest. So which value is the smallest here? This is our smallest value here. So 5.448 divided by 1.365, 13.83 divided by 1.365, then 1.365 divided by 1.365 divided by 1.365. Let's press our calculator. This one is going to give us 4 ratio 10 ratio 1. 4 ratio 10 ratio 1. Therefore, our empirical formula here is C4H10O. This is right representation. Can we continue? But the question asks us to find the molecular formula. Don't forget, what we are doing today is molecular formula. So, molecular formula equals to empirical formula bracket n equals to your relative molecular mass equals to your relative molecular mass. Now, what is your empirical formula? Your empirical formula from your calculation is C4H10O bracket n equals to 74 from the question given to us. Carbon is 12 multiplied by 4 atoms of carbon plus hydrogen, which is 1, multiplied by 10 atoms of hydrogen plus 1 atom of oxygen equals to 74. 12 times 4, 48, plus 10, plus 16 gives us 74. Let's come back again. We put our empirical formula, bracket n equals to the relative molecular mass given to us from the question, which is 74. So use n to open the bracket. It becomes 74n equals to 74. Make n the subject of the formula by dividing both sides. Divide both sides by 74. So 74 n over 74 equals to 74 over 74. Therefore, n equals to 1. So we can put n equals to 1 in our formula so that we can have C4H10O bracket 1. Use 1 to open the brackets. C4H10O. Therefore, our molecular formula equals to C4H10O. Alright, I know you found it so simple. Let's go back. Please don't forget, we have to get our percentage composition by multiplying the mass of the element by 100, divide by the total mass of the compound, which is what we did here. Then we divide by the RMM here of each element You got this value, then you divide by the simplest, the smallest element, which is what we have here, to get our empirical formula. So your empirical formula equals to your RMN here, which is given in your question. Which is given in your question. Which is given in your question. I want us to take our time to look at it. Okay. Let's quickly do this. Our work to do. You answer your question and post your answer to me on your comment section. Work to do. Post your answer to me on your comment question. What to do. Your work to do. Number 1. Define the following terms. Number figure 1, empirical formula. Number figure 2, molecular formula. Number figure 3, lists 2 differences between molecular formula and empirical formula. Question number 2. An hydrocarbon what's an hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon are compounds that contains hydrogen and carbon only. It contains hydrogen and carbon only. Now, contains 92.3% carbon. Calculate the empirical formula. Calculate the empirical formula of the hydrocarbon. Calculate the empirical formula of the hydrocarbon. Full stop. If the RMM is 26, calculate its molecular formula. Carbon equals to 12, hydrogen equals to 9. Work to do. I will be waiting for your answers, and if you don't understand, you are free to email us or contact us through our WhatsApp number that will be dropping after the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you.